database underscore one. This is the library database. How many copies of the book titled Lost Tribe are owned by library branch Shopstar? So here there are two inputs. We discussed about this, I guess, right? And I asked you to write the code. So two inputs. One is book title. Other is library branch. What they are asking? Number of copies, that's all. Number of copies of this book. So where are these books available? I gave the list of tables also, right? Select star from information schema dot tables. So you get this. I said take the table name and concatenate with select star from space. They'll get it. They'll get the list of tables along with the query. Now you can see book title will be in this book. Correct? So take where title is equal to last. Next, library branch. Library branch shop stop. Now, how this book and branch are connected? How this book and branch are connected? You see, there is no connection. How these are connected? Book authors? No. Here it is. Book copies, number of copies. Where book ID is a foreign key, branch ID is a foreign key. So if you observe, so what is this book ID? Book ID is 20, where book ID is equal to 20. And branch ID. Branch ID is 1. Number of copies. So there are 5 copies with this book and with this branch. Okay. So we have to combine all this to get our final output, not like individually we can do. So let us write a join first. This is book. We cannot directly join branch. We require this because this is a middle table. On book dot book ID is equal to number of copies table dot book ID. Here you can take just title if you want. Number of copies. Next, if you want to pass the title of the book, here only you can pass and we got this. So that you will get only for that particular book. Got it? Next, join with branches table on br.branch ID is equal to bc.branch ID. And branch name is equal to now you got only one. Okay. So this is the output. These are the two inputs. This is the output. Let us make this as inputs. Declare or at the rate book title where property comma branch name set book title is equal to this. Set branch name is equal to this. And you can pass these values as inputs. Now you get the same output. So we can keep book title and this as our output. That's all. Now creating a procedure. Now same we can achieve with the help of subquery also. So how I want this, select star from, so this is a hierarchy, books to copies to branches. So let me get branches where we want mainly copies, right? So where book ID in select star from books where
Title.
title is equal to at the rate book title. So here we have to pass book ID, not star. And branch ID in select star from library branch where branch name is equal to at the rate branch name. Here again I have to get
Branch ID.
branch ID. So here you can get only number of copies. And you can see here I can execute both, not a problem. You got number of copies. So this is the output. So you can achieve through subquery or you can achieve through join also. Okay. Now let us create a procedure. Create procedure ESP underscore get number of copies or copies in real time. They have two inputs. Book title branch name. Let's begin and select star from table books. Join with table copies b dot book ID is equal to c dot book ID. Join with library branch on L dot branch ID is equal to C dot branch ID, where B dot title is equal to input and L dot branch name is equal to input. Like this also you can write. Procedure is executed, compiled. So let us take the same inputs. We got the output because I said star here. You can say B dot title or C dot number of copies. I'm altering the procedure. Now we execute, we got only 5. So now you take this join. Okay. I'll not keep any conditions. Or else take this join. Keep it here. I'll not keep any conditions. I'll execute it. So whenever I execute here, I'll even include the branch name for testing purpose. So for that book title, last drive, it is 5. Okay. We can see for a different branch and different book. So this is a book. This is the book and central. It's also 5, but it has to give. You got it? So like that it is. So why I taken this is because based on that we'll get to know the combination of title and branch in the count. Any question on this? No, yes. People who has written should definitely get more clarity. People who didn't write should get clarity. Agree with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So create a procedure to get branch name and number of copies of book title. See here only input is last string. You want branch name and number of copies. So same query, if you take this, what is the input? Input is a title. Output, branch name, number of copies. So here output, branch name we should get. L dot branch. That's all. Branch name, number of copies. Okay, let it be. Title, here is the branch name. What is the input? Where b dot title is equal to last try. Same query, but input is only now only one input. I want number of copies across this book, across the branches. So across branches, this is what it is. So these two will be the output, not this one. Okay. That's it. Okay. It's easy. This is the easiest one. Declare the rate, book title, set title is equal to. You can achieve through subquery also same way, like how I have written above. So with subquery, it is different. You have to do subquery and join because the output is looking for branch name also, right? So it is not like this subquery, whatever we have written. It is little change will be there. I'll show you that. So now you see you got the output.
That query give the number on there.
Only number. But now what we can do is we have to mix both. Now select star from library branch. Join with number of copies on branch name on branch ID is equal to branch ID where C dot book ID in select star from books where title is equal to input and here not star, you have to write book ID. Now get L dot branch name comma C dot number of copies. So if this way you can get both outputs same. Got it? Okay. So now write a procedure. Create procedure ESP underscore get branch copies. So again, I'll write the query. Select star from. You can take branches also if you want first, because that is a main table now. Branches here join with table copy C on BR dot branch ID is equal to C dot branch ID join with table book B on B dot book ID is B dot book ID B dot title is equal to input. That's all. Here I don't want star. I want BR dot branch name, comma, C dot number of copies. That's all. Now we can go the input value last type. Get it. Not only for that, you can give take book, can give any title you take randomly. You're getting it. Because as of now, data is same across all the branches and all the books. It is showing the same count 5. Okay. You can check if you want. Number of copies is same. See, number of copies is same across all the. That's the reason it is showing like that. Else it will show differently. Any questions on this? Okay. So now retrieve the names of all borrowers who do not have books checked out. So all borrowers. You understand it. So these are all the borrowers who has taken the books, who do not have any books checked out. How will get to know? Let's say loans. So where is this card number is there? We have to check. Card number is there here. Card number is here. Who do not have any books checked out. Okay, let us see here. Card number 100 to 107 are there. 100, 101, 102, 101. 101 is not there. 101 is the answer. Who do not checked out any books? Got it? Who don't have any books checked out? No one has taken books. Is that correct?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know what is the joint condition between these two? So write it.
Left join.
Let's start from table. Me join with table books. Whenever you do this, join, inner join, you get where it is matching. Wherever it is matching, you'll get it. So if you see here, card number, wherever it is matching, you'll get it. It means that these are all the people who has checked out books, checked out some book. Okay. So we want total borrowers, but not in this. So left. Now you see there will be one person who didn't check out the book. So these are all the people who has taken some book on some other day. Some book on some other day. This is a person who didn't take any book. So you can write a left join so that you'll get total borrowers and the only loans the people have taken. You can filter where L dot card number is null. So now you'll get only borrower who didn't take any book. Okay. So for this, there is no any input, directly getting the names of all the borrowers. Just only we require borrower name who do not have checked. So that's it. This is the way. There is no need of any input parameter, no output parameter, writing a procedure for it. ASP underscore get borrowers as begin. So simple, I'm just copy pasting it. That's it. You can create a view also because there is no any input parameter. View also can suffice. Procedure also can be used. Procedure is a best practice. That's it. You see it?
Yes, sir.
Create a procedure to insert rows into employee main and employee phone tables. Okay. So employee main table having employee ID, name, age, salary, whereas employee phone table having employee ID, which is a foreign key to employee ID, and employee phone number. Provided these two are one-to-one relationship. One-to-one relationship means what we'll have? How we can establish one-to-one relationship? I'm again sorry. How to establish one-to-one relationship? So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry.
By one foreign key.
Foreign key is there. How to make it a one-to-one? By default, in this employee table, I can have multiple. In this employee ID value, I can have the same ID multiple times. Correct? So if you go here,
ID unique.
a row in one table associated with a row in other table. Okay. So this is a foreign key. In order to avoid duplicates, I made as a primary key. This is a foreign key. It refers to it. Okay. To make it unique, I made the child as either unique or primary key. So that this ID will not repeat. This ID will be only once. Table will accept only once. Agree now?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I said in the beginning, right? So we can make this field as a primary key in the second table.
You said didn't
Yep.
have here. So you can make this as a primary key,
Right.
or you can make this also as a unique.
Unique. Okay.
Either way you can do. This is a foreign key, but this won't repeat the duplicate. This won't allow duplicates. So that it's a one-to-one relationship. Okay. So now there are no data, there is no data. We need to create a procedure to insert rows into employee main table and employee phone table. Now imagine employee main table auto generates. So one is auto generated. We have to capture the one and send to here. Okay. We have to capture the one which got generated and sent to the second table. Clear, right?